I thought it was very interesting that you put on page 7 of your amazing deck, market is beginning to recognize our leadership position. So that implies to me that you're just now really starting to become the clear leader, and that's bringing a lot of new big contracts with it.
Well, Jim, thanks to our teams out in the field, we are already the #1 cybersecurity player in the market. We're the largest revenue in the business. We have the most comprehensive portfolio. But what's very fascinating, it's kind of, when I came to security, in security, CIOs and chief security officers do not like to buy second best. So the #1 rule says, if you give me the best stuff, we'll buy your stuff. And for that, our teams work really hard. We used to be in 2 categories, the best in 2 categories 3 years ago. Today, we're best in 6. I think by the end of the year, we'll cross 10. So as you become the best in so many categories, you start getting recognized because people say, wow, your stuff is not just integrated, but it's the best. And that's what they want, because nobody gets fired for buying the best.
Well, then let's follow up with that. Is it possible that when people see that someone hired Palo Alto, they say, you know what, let's just go to someone else and break in. This one's not worth the effort. It's too hard.
Well, Jim, if you look at it, if you look at all the ransomware attacks, if you look at all the supply chain attacks we've seen in the last 6 to 12 months, they've actually been very large attacks where they went out and hacked some piece of the supply chain. And then looked and said, okay, who got impacted by it? Now, the good news is we were attacked as part of that large-scale attack. We had our products which protected us. So I think what happens is if you buy the best products from Palo Alto Networks, you have them deployed, there's a very high probability that they will not get to your defenses. Now, if somebody comes with a sledgehammer and everything in their portfolio, you need to have a higher security capability in your enterprise. But I think for what's going on in the world, we have the best capabilities, the best products out there, and hopefully our customers are benefiting from that so they can go do what they do best, innovate in their product category while we provide them the security that they need.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.